So, welcome back to my channel, Tiger Rose Vlogs, and this will be posted also with Stuff in a Life. We're going to Christmas party. Anong tawag doon sa Christmas party? What's the name?
Paskong Pinoy.
Paskong Pinoy. So, ito po yung Mother Earth namin. Nagbablog po din siya sa Facebook. Just follow
Please follow my
De La Serna. So, me, Rose
I'm using my Facebook account for my vlogging.
So,
It's Maya Toyang De La Serna.
So ayan, pupunta na po kami ngayon. Tingnan natin kung anong, ay, tingnan mo yung green ko. Tingnan mo sa likod yung
Maganda.
dali. So, let's go. Let's try yung ticket namin. Paskong Pinoy. Ayan. Paskong Pinoy. Yan po siya nakalagay sa billboard. So, let's enjoy and have fun. Sana mag-surprise ang ticket ko. Rosalie Argenti.
Rosalie? Ano, sinong invited?
Proteges.
Proteges. Table 2 or 3?
Okay, thank
Table
you.
2 or 3?
Dito lang yan. Ay!
Pila na kayo dito.
Maduro. Just saan tayo?
Hoy!
Table 2 or 3 daw.
Nakalimutan ko yung ano. Paano yan? May dala ko. May dala ko yung red. Ito na lang.
So, dito na po ako sa venue na Paskong Pinoy. So, lahat po dito ay mga Pinoy. Ay, pagpalit kayo, pagpalit kayo. Green.
Red tayo eh. Red.
Tama. Tama, magpalit kayo. Ano, mag-registration pa dyan?
Oo. Naka-lista yung pangalan namin.
So, ito po yung registration area. So, ayan, tibulto po kami. May tibulto dito. Bro, yung makapalo. Paris? Ha? Paris. DNB.
Yan ang booth namin. If you want free facial demo, yan mga products. And then we have offers. Meron kami mga lipstick na buy one take away only.
Paskong Pinoy. Mag-picture tayo dito. Mother. Mother. Ayan doon. Maganda doon. Dali ka dito. Mother, dali ka dito. Ay.
Grabe pressure na ang mga judges po natin.
Kami po pala yung talagang tutok na tutok.
Ayan. Mamaya pag kayo alive, ayoko niyan. Magaling sumayaw. Ay, yung sakal.
Okay, Eka.
Sayang baka manalo ka.
Maya Carney,
O, ikaw ang nanghinayang buha.
Malay mo makuha yung
maligayang Paskong Pinoy sa ating lahat.
Walang sila. Kaya nga habulin ko yung
Maligayang Paskong Pinoy sa ating
Sila
lahat.
naman ako.
Mga kabayan, as we
Yan ako
conclude
nag-iwan ng
today's
gamit sa
celebration,
Pumaraya para diretso na.
allow me to extend
Ako pupunta man ako kasi nandun yung
our
motor ko.
heartfelt gratitude to everyone. Walang katulad Pasko
Saraya, pasarsin niya.
celebrated.
May checking? Andun na ba yung motorbike ko?
And to all our guests that are here today, the volunteers, all the performers, they're all amazing. And to all the sponsors also, to the SMNA Family Malaysia, thank you so much. And also to SMNA Philippines for the support for today's event. Thank you so much. And above all, we're so grateful and thankful for our founding president, for our founding chairman, our beloved pastor, Pastor Paulo C. Buloy, for the massive support of this event. Sir, you're so amazing. We're so grateful and thankful for all the blessings that you have given to us today. And also, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanksgiving to our Southeast Asia Pacific Administrator that are here today joining us. Ate Neneng, thank you so much. Ate Neneng, and all the way from Indonesia that are here today, Brother Rico and Sister Mona, and also from Thailand, Sister Nyoli, thank you so much. And to all the amazing OFWs that are here today, thank you so much. Woo! Your support and participation, mga kababayan, truly will validate the spirit of unity and generosity this holiday season. And before I end, I would like to introduce to all of you the most awaited event for the year 2026, our OFW Olympics. This will be participated by the 14 states all over Malaysia, and it will be held maybe in Axiata or the same place. And this is we have the main event, power dance competition, and then volleyball and basketball competition. And we have a lot of prizes also, mga kabayan. So this coming July, we will prepare for our OFW Olympics 2026. Once again, isang Pasko Pinoy sa ating lahat. Thank you. And the day is over.
Pakikuha naman ng number. Yes, Tita Rose, thank you.
Masag ka pa eh.
Ang alin? Oo, pwede. Ay, ang ganda. Pwede. Pareho kami. Hindi.
In order. In order.
Pag ano yan, saya, sama yan ang gamit
Ay,
natin
mayroon ka
magsaya.
ba? Kasi nag-order sila. Nag-order na rin ako. Order ka may... May ganito ka rin in order?
Hindi, iba-iba.
Ah.
Pinasak ko.
Oo.
Diba? Basta Christmas na.
Oo.
At hindi pang sayaw natin to.
Pwede.
Kasi
Magbit-bit nga ako isayaw. Sige, bitbitin ko na lang ito isayaw.
sayaw natin
Para
ganito
pareho
na
tayo.
lang. Iba sa
Ikaw,
iba-iba kasi may Christmas na ano.
Santa Claus yata si Sistina eh.
Oo, i-order mo.
No,
Ito sa akin.
Santa Claus yung sa'yo. Ay, pareho kayo ni Arlene. Di ba, okay naman yung sa'yo. Ba't kailangan mo papalitan?
O, di ba ko isayaw lang?
Ah, huwag na. Kasi mag-business na.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Maiba naman sa iyo nga eh.
good morning. Again, we're honored to be with you today as we come to celebrate this season of Christmas together with all of our audience in Malaysia. In a few minutes' time, we're about to begin.
Maganda. Kaso sabi ko na-order na ako. Sabi ko naman nakita.
Ewan ko, 2 and 3. Ito.
Baka ito yung
yata.
three.
Sila AIDS, yung aking atay, mga atay, dito.
2 and 3. Wow. Hindi ka mahirapan dyan nakatalikod. Dito ka, oh. Okay lang sa'yo? Mahirapan ka dyan.
Mga kababayan, we would like to ask everyone to please rise for an doxology to be led by the KBS band as they sing